competition, okay lang. Kahit sino pwede naman manood, wag lang yung direct competition. So sabi ko, sige, you can watch. So dumating sila. Even Kai, when I was in NLEX, he was playing with our team before he went abroad, pag-condition niya. So I think they felt comfortable being former associates. Tatay niya, and at the same time, dati naman siyang nakikipaglaro sa team ko. They asked if they could be permitted. So, dumating sila sa practice, tapos sabi nila gusto nila manood ng laro. Sabi ko, okay lang. Ma-experience nila yung local basketball. Yung coach, si Coach Ansay, kinukwento nila Kai tsaka nila Irvin. Kaya daw gusto makita yung practice or laro namin. Dahil medyo pareho kami ng temperament. Ganun din daw siya. No? So, sabi ko, birds of the same feather flock together talaga. Kaya medyo maganda yung kwentuhan namin.
Yung mga general lang na napagkwentuhan ninyo?
Well, ako sinasabi ko yung sikreto, sabi ko kasi magagalit yung player sa'yo pag hindi nila alam yung expect nila. So ako sabi ko, once we sign them, they know what they're in for, sabi ko. Kasi may kinukwento si Irvin noon na minsan yung mga player nila sa Japan nagtatampo. So, sabi ko parang hindi magtampo, dapat alam na nila kaagad kung ano yung pinapasukan nila. So, management of expectations na kwentuhan ganun lang.
Hindi mo naman nakausap si Kaya about PBA?
Nilabas ko nga na na-draft na namin kaya nandun siya kasama sa picture ng team namin. Wala na pag-asa yung iba, i-draft siya. Secret drafting.